Started getting better at the building.
Okay. Yeah. So you did like a, how did you do this? Is this like a curve? Wow. That looks...
sheet and a half all the way around. And then half sheet for the sides.
Yep. Okay.
Sundown X12s, dual tubes.
Yep.
On Taramps, Smart 3Ks.
Huh?
The doors are on, let's see, the Scar 150.4.
All right. Nice. We going? Demo?
Oh yeah.
All right. Have you metered it at all yet, or?
Not after this build.
Okay.
Before it was last time I metered was a 146.3.
Yeah.
And that was on a Tesla 2K at half ohm.
Okay.
Now I'm just running them both on 1 ohm direct.
Yeah. Do you know your peak, where you're peaking at all?
Roughly about 28 to 30 hertz.
Okay. Yep. So it likes the lows.
Yeah.
All right. What was your name?
Shawn.
Shawn. Jacob. All right.
Also go by Zilla BC 2.0.
Okay.
Down to 32.
Okay.
I mean, 26.
27, 26. All right.
I'm headed for the penitentiary. Shit, got the fat on my ass in the hood cause they think I'm the one who get bad on my shit. I'm just focused on music. They say my last tape was a classic, but I got some harder shit. I be rocking the shit. I'm headed for the penitentiary. I'm headed for the penitentiary.
Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you too.
Same.
Appreciate it, man. Can I get a picture real quick of the box?
Oh,
Yeah, thanks. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.